Welcome back to today's video. We've got Skeggsy on the cam. We've got a dream machine that's just been delivered to my door. We're also going to include a BMX session in today's video. Unboxing, prototype bikes, BMX session. It's going to go off like fuck.
And it doesn't work.
Mate, you're live on the YouTube channel, say hello.
No, I don't want to be.
Well, you are, it's too fucking late.
Take me off your YouTube channel, I want to talk to you.
Okay, go on, switch that. So, Mafia Bikes' original brand, they took over the BMX scene. There was no going back. No one could get near Amity. It was that big at one point. It was the biggest brand in the whole of the BMX industry. Come on, Skeggsy dog.
Amity was pretty good, wasn't it?
It was big.
Was
big brand.
Back in the day.
So,
What's it?
Amity is Mafia Bikes' original brand, and then basically it turns into Mafia Bikes, and now they're bringing Amity brand back, but they're doing jump bikes, big bikes, mountain bikes, enduro bikes. They're doing everything, so they're going super high-end MTB stuff. It's going to be sick. Drank 3 cups of tea and I'm nearly throwing up. We have the first rigid pump track MTB from Amity Bike Co. Inside this box. Should we open it?
Let's open it. What do you think, Quattro?
Hey, I've done my plug at the beginning of today's video.
What do you think, Quattro? What do you think of the bike, Quattro?
Mate, film this dead quick. Film this dead quick. I think I forgot to do my plug.
Okay.
Free t-shirt, every single hoodie on OWNA. The link is in the description. It's that simple. You pick your favourite t-shirt, you add it to your basket after you've picked your favourite hoodie, and you get it for free.
So
Get involved. Good deal, innit?
Nice.
Why have you not got your owner on today?
It's a nice little touch, isn't it?
How come you not got your owner on today?
I haven't got any t-shirts.
Shit, yeah.
Hook it up, lad.
Let's go, lad. It's been ridden.
It's supposed to be brand new.
No, it's been...
It's supposed to be brand new.
Okay, so it's been ridden. So this prototype has been tested down at the HQ already. Wow. Man, you can see the raw... Wait there. I've got a list. I've got a spec list of what the tight it. You can see the raw 60661 T6 aluminium. Hydroform tubes. See, is he taking the piss? Tell you what. 6061 T6 aluminium, bespoke hydroform, cool metal. Screen down. Screen down. Screen down. Whoa! Screen down! Quattro! So, hydroformed aluminium, that's all you need to know.
Yeah.
That's all you need to know. It's hydroform. Ali, has it got an Amity logo on it?
Yeah, I was there.
There. Amity beast. So this is a pump track killer. It's a rigid jump bike. Oh my god, that is light.
Is it?
Very, very, very light. So apparently I'm riding this, and then apparently I'm sending it back, but I'm actually going to keep it. I'm going to make it a nightmare for them to get it back off me. That is pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's sick.
Look at that. Raw alley. I rate the raw alley finish. Rear little piece there. Rear brake. Looks like it's got some good cranks on it. Rigid forks. I've never ridden a jump bike with rigid forks, have I? Did we do it years ago? On a blackjack?
Sounds like something we'd have done.
We did in Southport, I think.
Yeah.
Rigid. So, we're going to get straight into this. A classic unboxing. But first, before we get into unboxing this thing, let's go for a BMX session.
Let's. Rolling.
Blast from the past. We've been to this skate park once on the channel before. Let me show you Skeggsy. Skeggsy's ready to go as well, aren't you, lad? In his skid lid.
Yes, lad. Skid lid.
We're having
Let's
it.
do some stunts.
We've got the street machine. We've got the Park Pablo. These are Mafia's Pablo complete BMX bikes. 4130 full chrome ollie setups. And we're about to get busy.
Yes, sir.
So we're about to get busy. We're going to do some savage foot jams in the sun. We've probably got about 30-40 minutes before this place is crawling after school. Innit?
Crawling.
Is that a bad way of saying it? So yeah, we're going to have a ride. Hope you enjoy the clips.
Sweet, what do you want to do first?
You're going to call me something to start with?
Yeah, I want to see a foot jam. Here.
Here?
This little easy one.
Little chilled one?
Yeah.
I hopped a lot.
You hopped a lot. Smooth.
Like outdoor, look. Outdoor Vans. Boots.
Boots.
They just nearly killed me. I'm actually going to put that clip in just because they nearly killed me.
Right, so I want to see something I haven't seen you do for a while.
Go on.
So a whiplash catch foot jam.
So like, on the deck?
Yeah, on the deck, so like out, whiplash,
Yeah.
foot jam.
It might take me 5 tries.
I'll take it in 3.
Okay.
That's all. Right, we'll ignore the case. You might need to hire a lawyer for that.
I went to... Alright,
Do you want us to do it again?
well, do I get an extra attempt because I went in?
Yeah. Light work. How smooth that was. Rolling back.
First place. Do you can do some sort of like... little fluffy one, that. Fluffy piece.
Yo. Smooth. Smooth. Very smooth.
Oh!
Yes. Yes. A lot of yes. That was smooth.
That was a tiny bit more slivery.
Yeah.
Bleep.
You do a bit further over.
Mate, steep this spine.
Nice, that you know.
Let's try it again. I'm gonna go both ways. Oh my god. To be honest, lad, do you know what I'm gonna say though? The more I'm getting into this session, I know I'm not doing much. My shoulder is feeling better, man.
Look. Yes. A lot of that.
Do you know when I just get a minute where my shoulder feels right?
It just feels good.
I just start getting the BMX adrenaline. If you know it, you know it.
Yeah.
When you get the BMX adrenaline, there's no feeling like it. Cars are good. I love cars. Cars are my main passion. But I need BMX in my life. That's what I've realised later in my life. I need it still. Give us a plug, lad. Give us a plug.
Plug for, oh, yeah?
Go on, give us a plug, lad.
Well, for OWNA.
For OWNA, yeah.
Well, if you, rumour has it right, if you go to ownerofficial.com right now,
Link is in the description.
links in the description, and buy a hoodie, and then add a t-shirt to your basket as well. You get a t-shirt for free.
Yes, Skeggsy, lad.
Need the brake.
Make the half faster tyres though, innit?
You fully need the brake.
Let's see a little air. Yes, Skeggsy! Mate, I love it. Now, up away. Yo! Skeggsy, lad, I'm calling you every single trick right now.
What are we doing?
Right, lad, I want to see 270 over this hip
Yeah.
and a 270 over that hip.
Back to back.
Back to back, no messing about. No matter what, you have to try the second one. No matter how sketchy the first one is.
Alright.
Alright, which way are you going? That way, let's see it, lad.
Oh my god!
Okay, what are you doing? You had to try the second one.
Well, I wasn't going, was I? I was a
was sick, though.
steep little fucker.
You went a bit early. You went a tiny bit early.
Say that again. My ankle nearly went a bit early to fucking 90 degrees. You know what I mean? That's the ankle I've done as well.
Come on, lad.
Fuck's sake, man.
What's up with you, lad? What's up with you? Hey! It's hot in here.
Why is that scaring me?
It is tight. Next. I know what the people want, so I'm going to call it for the people. The people want to see Skeggsy bunny hopping over there. That's what the people want to see.
In or out?
Both.
Well, 180 over it. To redeem that.
Yeah, mess.
If you've ever ridden here, you'll understand. But that's worse than it looked. So, to redeem the spin that I lacked here, I'll 180 over this coming up.
Turn around, bunny hop.
Turn around, steez.
Steez over it? Do you think you've got that? For real?
I mean, I'll bring my level of steez to it.
No, I'm being serious about the bunny hop over it. Do you think you've got that?
Put it up and over there?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, go on then. This is on you then, not on me. Yeah, I called it out, but you called yourself out. Mate, with the coaster as well, that was smooth. That was like olden days steez, that. Yes, lad.
Jesus Christ.
Mate, that was the clip. That was probably some of the best riding you've ever done on the channel.
That's, you know what, like, it scared me, that.
That was fucking sick.
Yeah. Got popped though.
That was good, man. You popped proper gangster. Right, I've got a final call out for you then. Well, I don't want to pre-hype the sessions too much because I want to be riding better.
Okay.
Do you get me?
Yeah.
And we've got a lot of sessions, and you're getting a bit. That was a bit risky, lad. I'm not gonna lie.
It's a bit loose.
That's some serious shit, like.
Yeah.
Right, I want you to come up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hop over the rail.
Yeah.
Yeah. Plant over the hip. Yeah. I want you to do a steez hop, proper tucked in on that. I want you to hop on that and hop off the end. And I'm going to follow you through the whole line.
I was with you until that.
Come on, lad.
My ankles are made of glass.
That's the end of the session if you hop off that. But I'm talking, absorb that shit.
Yeah,
show people the Pablo Street. It's a street bike.
Alright.
Show them what you're made of.
It's a long run, that might be here for a minute.
Let's go it. Oh, mate, this is some of the best riding you've done, you know. Yes! Hey, that was sick.
I'm taking that. It came off the edge a bit slightly, but it was off the end.
Would you do it again for a fish clip?
I'm taking it.
Would you do it again?
Just the drop off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just for like an angle on the side. Mate, I'm gutted I can't do this with you. Yes. Yes, the air after it was a piece, man.
Sick. Should we head back to yours and build that bike?
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Gonna do a quick little unboxing here.
Quick.
This is actually insane. This is how it comes. It's packed pretty tight, isn't it?
Yeah.
Mate, that's actually sick. They don't do any plastic, do they?
No.
They don't have any plastic.
Well, no.
You will not see a piece of plastic come out of that factory.
Except for the pedals.
They're long-term plastic, not disposable. Oh, it's an Amity bike. It's an Amity. Quattro, give me your feelings on this jump bike.
Yeah. Sick.
Do you know what I'm fucking saying, lad? Do you know what I'm fucking saying, lad? Right, we're gonna ship you off, Quattro, to the factory. We're gonna ship you off and get a prototype Quattro made so everyone can enjoy a Quattro. Two, 3, 4, 5. Is it good or bad?
I like it.
Be good to see if it's any different.
Yeah.
Mate, this is a sick looking bike. Isn't it?
It's unreal.
No way. So, all we've got to put on is pedals, a front wheel, handlebars, and that's it. And then we can get it ready to take it for a spin on a pump track near you next week. You've just got to let us know in the comments below this video, what pump track should we hit up. So the only thing I need to do is I run my brake lever on the right, so I'm going to mod the brake and run the lever backwards because it's a left-hand lever. Handlebars on first. Mate, this is high-end, this build. It's been a minute since I've stood over a jump bike.
Yeah, how's it feel?
Feels good, man. I've missed one. I've missed having a jump bike, to be fair. Yeah. All mountain bikes then would have like probably... Mate, this thing is art. Should we have a look in case he wants me to say something about the spec?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to read a couple of highlights of the specification because I promised Amity that I would, you know, they've been, obviously, this is not an easy build. This shit takes like 2 years for a company to get into. They've been at it behind the scenes quite clearly for quite a long time. It's insane. Hydro-formed aluminium is mental. Like, that's not an easy project. I can't Hay fever. Integrated chain tensioners.
That's sick.
So basically, these little grub screws, if you was to tighten that up, that'll push the axle further back, giving the chain a nice bit of tension. Integrated chain tension is pretty cool, especially on a jump bike. Double bonnet. Wow, that sounds serious.
Give another spin.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it sounds good.
That is unreal. I highly doubt on a jump bike you are getting a hub that sounds like that standard. Snakeskin 2, super grippy tyres. Wicked! Jungle is massive! Snakeskins. Chill out, lad. Why did you say that? Do you know what, I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna fucking read it. I'm gonna read it. The Amity pump bike track. No, the Amity pump track bike. That's what it is, a pump track bike. They've called it. It better perform on the pump track next week, I swear. It's been designed to use the lightest, smoothest components to maximise speed and control on all types of tracks: gravel, dirt and hard asphalt. Bespoke hydroform tubes ensure we have 100% say in how the frame is constructed to get the most out of the bike in terms of form and function. The pump track bike is exactly that, keeping everything fully rigid with a steep head angle and a low bottom bracket means you are planted and nimble in the corners, and you can put the power down on the straights. It's got a fat seat, it's got hydraulic brake, sealed hubs, obviously. That's it. There's nothing else you need to know. There's nothing else you need to know. Let's build this thing. Yeah, check that. Check that out. So Jesus, that is a light bike, you know. Serious.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Nothing over.
Nothing. Does it look sick?
Yeah, it does look unreal.
Does it suit me?
Does, you know?
Because I'm keeping it.
Behind now. You'd
Right.
sort that cable situation out, though. There you go.
Mate, I'm keeping this. There's no way I'm sending this back. There's not a chance. I'm going to make it a nightmare for them to get it back off me.
Suit you?
I got them a massive crate for when I'm moving cars in and out. Quattro's decided to take it upon himself to take the pedal off this.
That was a brand new pedal until about 5 minutes ago. You know, he's after the other one.
Quattro eats anything from pedals to bricks. I've had Skegsy involved. We've got a new brand involved. And one of the sickest things that we haven't actually talked about, we've shown it, but we haven't talked about is this seat. This is an unreal seat. Amity Bike Co.
Yeah,
Perforated leather, stitched with a thing there. That's probably for like Superman seat grabs, toboggans and shit. Bit of grip. That's pretty awesome, that.
Yeah, I like it.
Ready?
Really?
The bike's built. Next week's video is going to be a fucking banger. We're going to a pump track. Me and Skegsy are getting on it, aren't we, lad?
Yes, lad.
We're going to be doing laps, flips, 360s, whips, bar spins.
Maybe.
At the pump track. This thing's insane. Hydroformed aluminium. Comes with the rigid forks. This is going to be, I think, a really high-end selling bike. Amity Bike Co. is Mafia's original brand name, and they're going full high-end with the MTBs on that brand. So it's going to be cool to be a part of that, get involved with some of the builds. And yeah, what else can I say? It's done, it's built, it looks fucking awesome. Solid 10 out of 10. Can't wait to hit the pump tracks next week on it. I'm excited. It's been literally, as you can see, tested for months. It's been getting used and abused, and now they've sent it me and just said, do your thing with that. So let's get into it. Don't forget, free t-shirt, every single OWNA hoodie. Add it to your basket to choose. Don't forget the OWNA deal, free t-shirt, every single hoodie on the store right now. Link is in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Get involved in the comments below. Couple of things. Number one, what do you think of the filming style? Do you prefer the fisheyes with me and Skegs, or do you prefer this content? Number two, which pump track should we hit next week on this thing? Number three, I hope you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below this video. I'll see you in the next video next week. Peace out.